Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be how to make reusable face pads. I personally love these face pads. I use them to wash my face every day, and then I just throw them in the washing machine to clean them and reuse them. So for today's tutorial, all we're going to need is some worsted yarn. I got this yarn from Dollar Tree and a size 5mm crochet hook. And yeah, that's all you will need for today, and some scissors. And we're gonna start off with a magic circle. So we have our yarn here. We're going to wrap it around your 3 fingers like so, and then hold it at that X. Dip your crochet hook into the loop around your fingers, pull up a loop, and then this is the loop you're gonna use to chain 1. And there you have it, that's your magic circle. So we're gonna chain another one, and then we're gonna be placing 11 double crochets into this circle here. So we're gonna be dipping our crochet hook into the middle of the circle for our double crochets. It's 1, it's 2, okay, so once we have our 11 double crochets, we're going to take this tail right here, and then we're going to pull it to close the circle. Pull it as tight as you can. And then we're going to slip stitch into the second chain, which is right here, from the first chain 2 that we created. So you're going to slip stitch into this second chain. And there you have it. That's your circle. After you slip stitch, you chain 1, and then we're going to be placing a half double crochet in that same chain 1 space. So 1 half double crochet in there, and then we're going to be placing 2 half double crochets in every stitch around. So when you place your 2 half double crochets in the last stitch, we're going to slip stitch into this space right here. So you slip stitch. So after we slip stitch, we're going to chain 1, and then we're going to place 2 single crochets in the next stitch. So 1, 2, and then 1 in the next stitch. 2 in the next, then 1 in the next, and you're going to continue that pattern all the way around. When you get to the last stitch, you should be placing 2 single crochets in the last stitch, and then you slip stitch into that first chain 1 that we made. So you slip stitch into that chain 1, and then you're done. That's it. And you have your reusable face pad. Finish off your ends. Cut off your excess, and you very lightly burn the knot. Very lightly. This project is perfect for if you have a bunch of scrap yarn that you need to use or get rid of. You can make a bunch of these. They're so easy to wash. They last so long. They feel really good on the face. They don't feel rough or anything like that. Just throw them in the washing machine when you're ready to wash them. And that's it. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Like if this video was helpful, and subscribe for even more crochet tutorials. Thank you for watching.